Hey there, Auto Rangers family! Welcome back to Auto Rangers Car, your go-to channel for the hottest car reviews. Today, we're looking at the 2025 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53, a high-performance luxury coupe that blends speed, style, and cutting-edge technology. Let's dive in, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting car content. Exterior design. The 2025 AMG CLE 53 brings an aggressive yet elegant design. At the front, you get the signature Panamericana AMG grille with vertical slats, flanked by sleek digital LED headlights. The sculpted hood, muscular lines, and aerodynamic body kit enhance its sporty appeal. Riding on 19-inch AMG alloy wheels, with optional 20-inch wheels, the CLE 53 looks dynamic from every angle. At the rear, quad exhaust tips and a subtle lip spoiler give it a powerful stance. Interior VE comfort. Inside, the AMG CLE 53 screams luxury and performance. The MBUX Super Screen dominates the dashboard, featuring a 12.3-inch driver display and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen with AMG-specific graphics. Premium Napa leather sport seats, a flat-bottom AMG steering wheel, and ambient lighting create a high-end driving experience. It also includes a Burmester 3D surround sound system, wireless charging, and heated VE ventilated seats for maximum comfort. Performance, speed VE engine. Under the hood, the 2025 AMG CLE 53 packs a 3.0-litre turbocharged inline-six engine with mild hybrid technology, delivering 443 HP and 600 Nm of torque. Paired with a 9-speed AMG speed shift automatic transmission, it launches from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.2 seconds, with a top speed of 250 km/h, electronically limited. The 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive and AMG ride control suspension ensure razor-sharp handling and a thrilling drive. Ownership VE pricing. The AMG CLE 53 is produced by Mercedes-AMG, a performance division of Mercedes-Benz AG, based in Germany. Pricing starts at $80,000, with fully loaded models reaching around $100,000. In India, expect a price tag between 1.2 Indian rupees crore to 1.5 Indian rupees crore, depending on specifications. Conclusion. So, Auto Rangers family, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 is a true performance coupe, blending power, luxury, and technology. What's your take on this beast? Drop your thoughts in the comments.